Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to talk to people in English. This is a very good way to learn English and become better every day. You don't need to speak fast or use big words. Just use simple words and speak slowly. When I started learning English, I could not say many things. I felt shy and nervous. I did not know what to say or how to say it. I wanted to speak, but I was afraid of mistakes. Maybe you feel the same way. That is okay, I felt it too. One day, I said my first word in English. I said hello. It was a small word, but it made me happy. After that, I said more words. I said thank you and good morning. Then I started to ask small questions. I asked, "What is your name?" or "How are you?" These simple questions help me start a conversation. They are not hard. You can learn them too. You can also say, "Where do you live?" or "Do you like coffee?" These are easy questions and good for talking to new people. You can talk to your family, your friends, or even to yourself in the mirror. If there is no one to talk to, you can still practice. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Hello, my name is Anna," or "I like music." This will help you feel more confident. If you go to school, you can talk to your teacher or your classmates. Try to say something in English every day. It can be short, it can be simple, but it is important to try. Some people ask, "When should I start?" The answer is now. You do not need to wait. You do not need to be perfect. You can speak today. Even one word is a start. Let's try something now. Can you say, "What is your name?" Good. Now try, "Where are you from?" Very good. These are useful and easy questions. You can use them in many places. Also, remember that you can learn from others. Listen to how they talk. Listen to how they say words. You can learn new words from them. You can also learn when to use those words. There are many ways to start small. You can write down 10 words you know. Try to use them in your talking. You can also write short sentences like, "I am happy," or "I like apples." These are simple but good. Should you feel afraid? No. You should feel proud. Every small word you say is a big step. Talking is not always easy, but it becomes easier when you practice. You will get better every day. So start small. Start simple. Talk to one person. Talk for 1 minute. Say one new word every day. If you do this, you will become better at English day by day. There is no magic way to learn fast. But if you talk a little each day, you will grow. You will speak better. You will feel stronger. Let's speak English together. Let's be brave. Let's start now. Practice is the key to learning English. Every day, you should try to speak a little English. You can speak to yourself or to another person. Even 5 minutes a day is good. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. There are many ways to practice. You can talk to a friend. You can speak with your teacher. You can even speak to your pet. The important thing is to use English often. When I was learning, I used to practice in front of a mirror. I said, "Hello, how are you?" And "I am fine, thank you." I looked at myself and tried to speak clearly. I did this every morning. It helped me feel strong and ready for the day. If you have a notebook, write in it every day. Write what you do. Write about your day. You can write, "I wake up at 6. I eat rice. I go to work." This is simple but very helpful. You can ask yourself questions too. What do I want to eat today? Where did I go yesterday? What time is it? These questions help you think in English. Do you have a friend who speaks English? Great. Talk to them. Ask questions. Answer slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. They might help you learn. If you don't have someone to speak with, go online. There are many people who want to learn English like you. You can find them on apps or websites and talk with them. Let's say you learn 5 new words today. Use them in a sentence. Use them when you talk or when you write. This will help you remember them better. You can also sing songs in English. Singing helps you remember words and sentences. I sang songs every night before bed. It was fun, and I learned many new words. Another idea is to read out loud. Read a short story or even a sentence. Reading out loud helps you with your speaking and listening. You will hear your voice and you can fix small mistakes. Sometimes I recorded my voice. I listened to it. I asked myself, did I say the words correctly? Should I try again? This helped me improve my pronunciation. You can also use flashcards. Write new words on one side and the meaning on the other. Review them every day. Ask yourself, what does this word mean? And how can I use it? Let's not forget games. You can play English word games with friends or by yourself. Games are fun and make learning easy. Should you practice every day? Yes. Even on busy days, try to speak a little. Try to say 1 or 2 sentences. This habit will help you become a better English speaker. So let's practice every day. Let's enjoy it. Let's grow together with English. Learning English is not always easy. Some days you feel good, some days you feel tired. That is normal. Everyone feels this way. Sometimes you forget words. Sometimes you don't know what to say. But you should not stop. When I started, I made many mistakes. I said the wrong words. I used the wrong tense. But I did not give up. I kept going. I learned from my mistakes. They helped me become better. You might ask, what should I do when I feel shy? You should take a deep breath and try. Say something simple like, "How are you?" or "I like coffee." The first step is the hardest, but it will get easier. Let's talk about courage. Courage means you try even when you are scared. When you speak English, you show courage. Even if you speak slowly, even if you use simple words, you are still learning and growing. There will be people who understand and want to help. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you don't know a word, ask, "What does this mean?" If you hear something new, ask, "Where did you learn that?" This is how you learn more. Do you remember the first time you tried something new? Maybe your first bike ride or your first job. You were not perfect then, but you learned with time. It is the same with English. You will grow with each word you say. There are many ways to stay brave. You can speak with a friend. You can join a group. You can write a short story. You can ask, "How many new words can I learn today?" These small actions help you build confidence. Also, be kind to yourself. Say, "I can do this." Say, "I will learn." Say, "I am getting better each day." These words help you stay strong. You should believe in yourself. Some days you will do well, some days you might not, but every day is a chance to grow. Keep going, keep learning, keep talking. Don't stop. Let's remember to smile. A smile is a small thing, but it helps a lot. When you smile, people feel happy. They want to talk to you more. Talking to people is a great way to learn English. So let's be brave. Let's keep going. Let's not give up. You are doing a great job. Every step you take is a win. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep trying, and always keep smiling.